Hey everybody, this is Kosho619. Check this out. Just got this new scale canopy sent to me from MicroHeli. I want to thank the lady over at MicroHeli for sending this. It's a new prototype version for the 330S. You can see inside of here that I've got a 330S. And basically you pull the landing gear off and you take the tail case off, and then you slide it through this special canopy, and it's really nice looking. It's hard fiberglass, and it's really nice. It went together really well, and we're gonna do the first flight. So there's a chance there may be a little tail wag or something. I haven't tuned this yet. The canopy is a little heavy, but it is scale, so we're not going to do any 3D with this. It's just going to be flying around in my yard and looking cool. Probably do some shots with some rock crawlers and be the helicopter from the sky kinda, and we'll see what we can do. Anyway, check this out. Here we go. And the blades are a little out of balance because I did have to make 3 blades, so hopefully this will work. You can hear a little resonance, but that's expected because we have a hollow canopy now. So this will be for you scale guys. I did order a set of triple blades in 325 millimeter from a place called Scale RC Flying, and they're out of Washington. And blades are only 10 bucks, so we'll see what happens when I get those. I'll do another video. So as you can see, it's pretty darn stable. A tiny bit out of track, but we'll worry about that later. For now, let's just look at how cool this is. I do have a slight vibration from these blades. Again, because I had a set of 2 blades and I added a third. So I had to use some tape to balance it. Well, it's time to do that yard work again. I'm not going to be trimming that bush today with this one. To get out my 480 for that. So you should be able to buy these from MicroHeli within a month or 2. There's going to be probably 3 different colors and variations. Also, there's a canopy for a 230S V2, and the canopy for the 230S is already marked at $120. It's at microheli.com. This one's the MH117 in orange and black, Spektrum colors, of course. I'll be doing a little flying this week for y'all. There's a new helicopter on its way. I'm getting the new Fusion 363S. Should be here today or tomorrow. We'll do a video on that. But for now, this is pretty darn cool. I am flying in safe mode right now. I've got my stability turned on. Probably just gonna go ahead and fly this in normal mode. I'm tempted to shift to stunt 1. There's stunt 1. And back to normal. So again, MicroHeli.com. This is a Horizon Hobby Blade 330S. The 330S is a great little helicopter. Mine's got the triple bladed head from MicroHeli also. And this is really well made. So if you're into scale, here it is. Go ahead and check them out. So there you have it, everybody. The new MicroHeli scale canopy from MicroHeli.com. Get your Blade 330S at Horizon Hobby. This is Kosho 619. I'm out. Thank you.